It's time to check in on a few hot tickers on the Yahoo Finance platform this morning, starting with Taiwan Semiconductor. Shares taking a hit from President Biden's new restrictions on semiconductor exports to China. And I really just love the breakdown that our very own Akiko Fujita did on this one yesterday. Complicated situation, but at the end of the day, you have that headwind, new headwind, I would argue, combined with the fact that you have a slowing economy, you have chip estimates by analysts coming down across the board ahead of earnings season, you have the PC market slowing down, and you just get the sense it's going to be a challenging few quarters, I think, for these chip companies.
Yeah, it's been really interesting, especially in the PC market. IDC was out with some data yesterday, actually, just about how much the PC market had been slowing down, and particularly here, shipments declining another 15% in the third quarter of 2022, according to their tracker. Now, this tracker for IDC, it really does outline, especially among the total units, the 74.3 total units that were accounted for in global shipments during the third quarter. It really points out how much semiconductors, but additionally, how much some of the other personal technology companies are also going to be set to be hit on this. And we're already seeing, whether we've already seen it from AMD or some of the other companies that have said even earlier, back in August, you think about NVIDIA and what they were spelling out, how much more of a decline in this PC market is set to still hit many of the semiconductor and personal computing businesses as well.
Right, and the chip space, I think, is now one of the most hated spaces in the entire market. These stocks have been absolutely obliterated. They've gone really quickly from trading at premium multiples, P multiples earlier in the year, to now just continuing to see downgrades, estimate revisions, and trading in some cases near trough multiples. It's really remarkable to see.
Yeah, once a darling for the markets, now certainly declining precipitously over these past almost year. You point back to November of 2021.
Yeah, and then we saw AMD. They came out a couple days ago and with a big warning here.